If you have a notification chime that won't stop playing on your Windows computer, I'm here to help. The other day I had a notification that kept popping into the bottom right corner of my Windows desktop. I turned off notifications, but the chime continued. It was really annoying. Here's what I did to solve this problem. I clicked in Search in the menu bar at the bottom, and then I selected Settings. In this interface, you want to select Notifications. That will lead you to a list of choices, where you'll select Notifications again. Now you'll see a set of checkboxes under the Notifications heading. You could try a couple of different things here to turn off the audio chime. You could turn off all of your notifications by turning off the white button in the blue slot at the top right of the screen. You could also uncheck the top choice in the list, that choice being Allow Notifications to Play Sounds. Now, either of those things should stop the chimes. However, I took those actions, and the chimes still didn't stop. If those actions don't work for you, here's yet another action that likely will stop the chimes. Click on Personalization in the left column. Then go to Themes. Click, then look for Sounds in the next menu. You can see that I have No Sounds already selected. That text is actually a button to be selected. Click there, and a new dialog box pops up. Click the Sounds tab at the top of that new box. Then, in the first field, you'll see two choices. Make sure that No Sounds is selected. Click OK. Now No Sounds will appear as the chosen setting in the previous menu, and the chime will no longer be heard. I hope this has been useful to you. Please consider liking and subscribing. Take care and have a better day.